Do you ever leave your brushes in water? If you're a painter, then you likely do, even though we have great intentions to clean them out every night at the end of the day. Sometimes we leave them in water and it's really bad for our brushes, especially these wood brushes. Now you can see this one is already bent and this is just overnight, but it's been laying in that cup and so it bends our brushes. These wood ones, first of all, get fluffy after time. You're leaving basically paint up in the bristles and it's just kind of drying in there. Even though it's in water, it's just murky and gross up in there. The water is getting under the ferrule, this metal part, and also your wood will rot. This one here, when I pulled it out, it was hanging on by a thread and just broke. So I did order more. I've got a new set here. I'm going to show you this one. When you get them, see how hard that is? It's like a little needle there on the end because they put a little bit of a type of glue to get that meld to you so that it's nice and neat, and the machine puts this little cap on to protect it. You don't have to have the cap once you get the brushes, just throw them away. But just take it and rub it through some warm water. It will get that glue right off. It's really easy to come off. It doesn't even require any soap or anything. And then you've got a nice brush ready to go. And see how good that is? We want to keep our brushes looking good. We don't want to have to replace them all the time. So at the end of the day, when you're done painting, you can take them to the kitchen, wash them with warm water. I use, if I have a bunch, like I usually have a handful of brushes, I'll just spray a tiny bit of Dawn in my hand, or sometimes use a puck like this and really scrape them on here gently, of course, and then lay them on a paper towel. But you want to be sure all this is dry so that the water does not seep under this metal ferrule, and it will. So dry that part off, dry off your bristles and get it back into a point, and then lay it there on a paper towel flat. I've seen people say, you know, hang them like this, hang them like that. No, just lay it flat on a paper towel. Now, if it's time to really clean them, I do have a brush cleaner that I use every so often, and this is also really easy to use. I wet my brushes and then just kind of roll it around in here, get it, you know, pretty wet, roll it around, and now we have this soapy substance to clean them with. That will get all your paint off. You can really take your time and roll it between your fingers, get all that paint that collects down here at the bottom of the brush. And then again, I would be in the kitchen with warm water, and I do use my puck when I clean them like this, and really scrub and clean those off well. And then you're back to the same. Dry it off really well. Take the time. It only takes a few seconds, you guys, to dry all that off, get it back into your point. And this has conditioner in it, so it will really help you get that point back, and then just lay it there to dry. All right, I hope that helps. I will leave links below for these little detail brushes that I love. They're very inexpensive, so I don't feel bad if I have to replace them. And for the cleaner and the little puck. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope that helps.